On this episode of Doing the Most, I'm here with Mandy from Faywood Mead, and this is Crispy Boi Summer.
Crispy Boi Summer, you can bet I'm a stunner. Crack a cold one, no bummer. It's a Crispy Boi Summer.
It's Crispy Boi Summer here at Doing the Most. We're doing a 13-part series of delicious, low ABV session meads, nearly all of them sparkling, just like the one we're going to try today, Backyard Blast. How do you feel about a sparkling session mead?
Really good.
We're here at Mead Stampede. We've been drinking so much mead. We're a day and a half into judging. We are alcohol soaked. And so then I approached everyone and said, you want to drink more alcohol? And a few of them offered to oblige. So Mandy's here. We're going to try Backyard Blast. This, again, is a 13-part series of session meads. This one is naturally sparkling, so it's sweetened with erythritol, which is a natural non-fermentable sweetener, and bottle conditioned. So this is very, very simple for you to make at home. And when you see how it's made and how it's flavored in secondary, here's how it's made. This recipe starts with 1 1/4 pounds of honey already in our fermenter, to which we add 1 gram of wine tannin. Then we're just going to get that topped up with filtered water. Give it a good shake before you get all your water in there. You just want to make sure all the honey is dissolved and combined. And then you can top it up with the rest of your filtered water to the 1 gallon mark. We are adding 1 teaspoon of Fermade O yeast nutrient. And I'm adding 3 grams of ale yeast, but you could use a whole pack of ale yeast or a pack of wine yeast. We'll put the airlock on and let it ferment, and in a couple weeks it'll be done, as confirmed by multiple hydrometer readings. You always want to make sure you rack it when it's done fermenting. In secondary, we're adding 2 packets of strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid, and 8 ounces of erythritol. The yeast can't eat the erythritol, so that means your drink will still be sweet on the other end of things. So we'll just rack onto all of that, give it a gentle stir, and then let it clear up. Once clear, we're going to prime our 12-ounce bottles, each with 1 teaspoon of table sugar. The yeast will turn that table sugar into carbon dioxide, and so you'll have a sweet, sparkling drink. We'll cap those with crown cap bottles, and that crown cap will be able to hold in the pressure of these beverages. So after 4 to 6 weeks, you should have a sweet, sparkling session mead that tastes a whole lot like strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid. So as you can see there, Mandy, as you reviewed the footage, along with our audience at home, this is flavored in secondary with packets of strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid.
It sounds neat.
I've been on this information campaign for years that Kool-Aid is the appropriate cheat to get a fruity, sparkling mead without having to do the work to work around fruit or spices or big ingredients like that. Kool-Aid is already made to be made into like a gallon of delicious sweet drink, right?
Fair.
So you make a session mead base, you flavor it with Kool-Aid, you bottle condition it, and you go.
It's me, Faye, and I'm here, and I'm excited to drink Kool-Aid that's fermented.
You should pitch memberships and patronage for both of our channels.
You should do that. BC's got membership, Patreon. He's got Discord. That place is fun. It's a fun place to be.
The Discord gets a little unhinged from time to time.
Cheers.
Ting!
Ting. It's good. Why is it that good?
I've been eating Kool-Aid.
That like really works.
Yeah.
Weird. Yeah, I'm like I'm shooketh.
The way this was designed is kind of to drink like hard seltzer or like a fruity soda. And so you've got a little bit of that alcohol flavor, a little bit of that mead, honey backbone, but you're layering literally artificial flavors and acids on top of it to like give it that kind of silly Zima kind of vibe.
I mean, it's just like drinking a tropical fruit seltzer or something. It's just like tropical fruits, but it's a really nice balance. Yeah, it's like it's just easy to drink. It's good.
Mandy lost all her words to 70 judging sheets over the last day and a half and has no words for Crispy Boi Summer.
I would make it. You know what I mean? It's like you make it and then you sit outside.
Part of the fun with this recipe is strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid is not necessarily the end-all be-all of Kool-Aid flavors. I think you could put literally any 2 Kool-Aid packets in here and it would turn out something drinkable because, again, Kool-Aid is made for this. It's made to, you mix it with sweet liquid and drink it.
But it ferments really well. Like some things can get really funky when you ferment them, but this is like this is clean.
Yeah, and part of that is this went into secondary, and so the only fermentation it experienced was the bottle conditioning. And so you don't get a lot of aggressive fermentation on the Kool-Aid powder to do anything weird to it. Mandy, thank you for being here. I know you're exhausted. I know everybody is low energy at the end of Mead Stampede. But thank you still for offering to taste my probably one of the weirder recipes in this summer series.
Weird but good. I've had a lot of mead, and this is, I could sit here and drink this still.
So follow Mandy's channel. It's at Faywood Mead. I will put a link down in the description and tag her. She's got lovely, just like a hangout and vibe kind of content. And, she's like your mead friend, just hanging out on YouTube, giving you good vibes. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button here, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Until next time, happy brewing. Dink. And cheers.
Cheers.
Bye. Bye.
Beautiful.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, bake creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.